When it comes to designing your new kitchen, we ask for your help. Our designers have vast experience in designing the ultimate kitchen. But it is so important that the kitchen meets your exact needs and reflects you as an individual. Our aim is to design and install the kitchen that is perfect for you. And to help our designers design your new kitchen, we suggest that you create 2 lists. The first list being, what do you really dislike about your present kitchen? Such as the positions of the drawers, cupboard space, or the lighting. Maybe the lack of storage for custom items, etc. The second list being what you really love about your kitchen. What are the features that you would like to keep and incorporate in your dream kitchen design? By sharing these thoughts with our designer, it will give us a starting point to designing your ideal kitchen together, and help to ensure that your new kitchen reflects your individuality and creativity. We want you to have a perfectly designed yet functional kitchen that is unique to you. In working together, we will achieve our aim.